Hey, in this video we'll be unboxing and going through the installation of the Rugged Ridge door entry guards. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert Sherburne from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, today we're just going to do the Rugged Ridge door entry guards. It's really simple. It's about a $55 upgrade I got from Quadratech. Rob and all the guys over there, thank you. Hey, so we'll just go through this. This goes on the Gladiator. We're actually going to put this on the both front doors and the back doors, and let's just kind of unbox this and take a peek. Let's get started. So what we're wanting to do is really protect the entryway. If we look right here, this car is relatively new, relatively like a couple months old, and the door seals are all painted up, but they're still really nice and starting to get some wear in here from people coming in and out. So I want to put some protection in here, and that's what we got here from Rugged Ridge. Let's go ahead and unbox this. All right guys, this doesn't really come with a lot. It just comes with 4 products that are door entry guards. You really have a couple items here. You got one for the right side, one for the left side on the rear doors here. And if we look at the back, they got tape here on the bottom and tape here on the top to go against the seals. The front ones are pretty easy. You can see this, the screw holes are going to go underneath it here. You're going to have your tape piece here and then these pieces as well. So if we look at the directions, this is pretty simple. You're going to wipe it down, you're going to wash it with rubbing alcohol, and then you're going to tear off a little bit of tab after you dry fit it, and then just put it on the seal and slowly pull the tape as you push it down, and just kind of work your way around and then repeat for every one. Let's go ahead and do it on the back door, and then we'll just pop it in and knock it out for all of them. So the first thing we're going to do is just do a test fit. This looks to be where it kind of goes. Gives us a nice even contour through here. So we're just going to rip this off. Open this up. All right. Let's get our piece in here. Let's get our piece down here. And let's just start pulling our tape. Pushing down as we go. All right, that looks good. It's nice and solid. That's going to protect the paint when we come in and out. All right, let's do the front and the other back. All right, guys, got these installed on all 4 doors, and if you look here, they really take up a lot more coverage than I thought they were going to, and they're nice too. They're nice, they're rugged, they stick really, really well with the 3M tape on the back side. Got them in on both front doors, as well as both back doors, and they just cut nice coverage. They look really good. They match the black contour across the board. And again, this is the Rugged Ridge door seal protectors. I bought them at Quadratech for about $55. Hey, thanks for taking your time to watch us put on the Rugged Ridge door seal protectors. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when new content comes available. Hey, thanks for your time. Have a great day.